Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back. Well, this is your lecture number 9 regarding coordination chemistry from our coaching institute BCI Pulwama. Beta previous lectures was lecture we are discussing the terminology used in coordination chemistry. We have almost finished the terms. Last term next lecture is nomenclature. So we will try to move to nomenclature of coordination compounds, but last term was brought. See, there is one more term used in coordination chemistry that is known as coordination number. That is known as coordination number. Coordination numbers अगर simplest definition मानो अभी मतलब गो सिर्फ सीधे number of coordinate bonds. Number of coordinate bonds formed by ligands with central atom. So it is actually total number of coordinate bonds present in a complex which are formed by the ligands with the central metal atom or central metal ion. Chahiye metal atom asin ya metal ion. Atmas kuitya number of coordinate bonds total, that is known as coordination number. Later on we will see this is also known as secondary valency once we come to Werner's theory of coordination, Werner's coordination theory. Now it is zaruri one ak cheez. It is pata is asan ligand kam type uk tad buniyad pe hekko is vanit kuitya number of coordinate bonds asan. Bida agar ekis ligand asmaz ekis complexes maz asan complexes maz asan sirf unidentate ligands. अगर आप में सिर्फ आसन मौजूद unidentate ligands. Unidentate ligand वाले आसन की हिन मौजूद बेस obviously central metal atom और ion. आख unidentate ligand बनाए आख coordinate bond. Obviously अगर आप में unidentate ligands आसन तिम बनावन coordinate bonds. अगर unidentate ligands आसन तिम बनावन a total number of 2 coordinate bonds. अगर 4 आसन 4 coordinate bonds. So for unidentate ligands which are present in a complex, a unidentate ligand forms only one coordinate bond. If a complex comprises of only unidentate ligands, then coordination number will be equal to the number of unidentate ligands. Let me suppose an example. See, if I have a complex AgCN whole 2 and then it carries 1 unit of negative charge. This is a coordination compound. Guys, the simplest way of identification or identifying a coordination compound is to see whether square brackets have been used. So this part of the complex ion comprises of central metal ion and we have 2 ligands, both of which are complexes must have dhyan. Atmas ligand use gomut cyanide and then raat kis lectures must the one mein cyanide ionization. It is an ambidentate ligand. Magar ambidentate ligands are unidentate ligands, so it is unidentate ligand. So it can form only one coordinate bond. So ak cyanide ion बनाए ak coordinate bond, तो z cyanide ions बनावन z coordinate bonds. So if I ask you what is the value of coordination number, you will tell me coordination number is equal to 2 because a total number of 2 coordinate bonds have been formed with this silver ion present in the complex. Besides that, here only unidentate ligands are present. So total number of number of unidentate ligands. Atmashi khali wana timan complex samaj yimman sirf asan unidentate ligands. Unidentate ligands kad barabar che that is equal to 2. So you are seeing that in case of complexes containing all the unidentate ligands, the total number of unidentate ligands is equal to the total number of coordinate bonds formed. That is what we call as coordination number. अगर ब्याक एग्जांपल दिमो यथ मज यूनिडेंटेड लिगेंड यूज या यथ मज यूनिडेंटेड लिगेंड्स प्रेजेंट आसन. See, if I have a complex like this CuNH3 whole 4 and then it carries 2 units of positive charge and this is a complex. At complex agar coordination number is wano at mazim ligands are ammonia molecules unidentate ligand ak ammonia molecule banay ak coordinate bond. So 4 ammonia molecules kas banawan 4 coordinate bonds. 4 coordinate bonds. So number of coordinate bonds is equal to coordination number. इसका मतलब coordination number of the complex is equal to 4. ठीक है. Third example अगर इस दिमो say for example we have ZnNH3 whole 2 and then Cl2. This is a complex, a neutral complex. Firstly, I considered an anionic complex, then a cationic complex, and now a neutral complex. Agar yat complex is it is a heterolaptic complex that we have defined earlier in our previous lecture, comprises of more than one type of ligands, and but all of the ligands are unidentate ligands. अत मज लिगेंड मौजूद कुस NH3 अमोनिया मॉलिक्यूल यूनिडेंटेट लिगेंड यह बनाए अख कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड अत मज जोमोनिया मॉलिक्यूल्स शाबाश जोमोनिया मॉलिक्यूल्स कस कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड्स बनावन 2 कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड्स एंड देन वी हैव Cl negative chloride ion acting as a ligand which is a unidentate ligand बनाए अख कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड. there are 2 Cl negative ions in बनावन z coordinate bonds. So the total number of coordinate bonds is equal to 4. That means coordination number is also equal to 4. यमन त्रेशवनी कम्प्लेक्सन मज छुते बेटा उछान यमन कम्प्लेक्सन मज सिर्फ यूनिडेंटेट लिगेंड्स मौजूद आसन. तिमन कम्प्लेक्सन मज आसान कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर इक्वल टू द नंबर ऑफ unidentate ligands. Now what is coordination number? It is the total number of coordinate bonds present in a complex. X complexes must be the number of coordinate bonds. Now we will cite some more examples where we are using bidentate ligands, or we can use polydentate ligands as well, so that we understand this coordination number more better. शाबाश. चलिए यहाँ पे देखिए. Say I have a complex. The complex is NiEN whole 2 carrying 2 units of positive charge. This is a complex. Ligand कुछ यथ मज ethane 1,2 diamine. अमुक structure हुआ वारियाह फिर ethane 1,2 diamine. It is ethane 1,2 diamine. It is NS2 bonded to CS2 bonded to CS2, then it is bonded to NS2, and there it is, it forms coordinate bond, and then we have NS2 and then we have NS2, it is bonded to CS2 and then CS2. So this is it. चलो बेटा आप मज कुछ कम्प्लेक्स मज कुछ ligand use आमुत करना. It is ethane 1,2 diamine. Ethane 1,2 diamine छु वोलमुत है it is bidentate ligand. It is bidentate ligand. ये बनाए z coordinate bonds. Kurs bident ethane 1,2 diamine molecules छु यथ मज there are 2 ethane 1,2 diamine molecules. One ethane 1,2 diamine or ethylene diamine forms 2 coordinate bonds. Z कसे coordinate bonds बनावन. Z बनावन obviously 4 coordinate bonds. 4 coordinate bonds. That means use amyo coordination number is equal to 4. But unlike unidentate ligands, unidentate ligand and must it complex. Unlike complexes containing only unidentate ligands, the coordination number of a complex which comprises only bidentate ligands is twice the number of bidentate ligands. ठीक है मतलब गो ये मिस complexes में सिर्फ आसन bidentate ligands तथ मज कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर आसान दैट इज इक्वल टू द डबल ऑफ द नंबर ऑफ बाइडेंटेट लिगेंड्स यथ मज बाइडेंटेट लिगेंड नंबर इक्वल टू 2 coordination number draw amuk double that is equal to 4. Here coordination number is not equal to the number of bidentate ligands, but it is the twice that of the bidentate, twice the number of the bidentate ligands. Likewise अगर एक इस complexes मज़े आसन tridentate ligands tridentate ligand बनाए 3 coordinate bonds ठीक है अगर z tridentate ligand आत्मस obviously 6 coordinate bonds will be formed. So there we see the coordination number आसी बराबर 3 times the number of tridentate ligands. 3 times the number of tridentate ligands. Basic definition ऐसी coordination numbers, it is the number of coordinate bonds formed by ligands with the central metal atom or ion. So अगर in terms of number of ligands से explain करूँ coordination number गो क्या तेल अगर एक कॉम्प्लेक्सस मज सिर्फ यूनिडेंटेट लिगेंड्स कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर इक्वल टू द नंबर ऑफ यूनिडेंटेट लिगेंड्स अगर अत सिर्फ बाइडेंटेट लिगेंड्स कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर इक्वल टू द डबल ऑफ द नंबर ऑफ बाइडेंटेट लिगेंड्स अगर अत सिर्फ ट्राइडेंटेट लिगेंड्स कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर इक्वल टू द थ्राइस ऑफ द नंबर ऑफ ट्राइडेंटेट लिगेंड्स मिसाल के तौर पर अगर एग्जांपल दिमो ओतर कत कर्मस यम सात चीलेट complexes पारान say we have the complex PT, we have TRI and this is triene अगर youth complex छो and then it carries 2 units of positive charge. वैसा बेटा अगर चे पृछो यह complexes क्या च coordination number here triene means triethylene tetraamine. Now this is triethylene tetraamine. इसे कन अगर complex से दिम P फिलहाल दिन भैया triethylene tetraamine is a tetradentate ligand. So ये कच coordinate bonds बनाई this will form 4 coordinate bonds. तो क्या जुस आत्मज ligand चो that ligand is triethylene tetraamine. It is a tetradentate ligand. Ach denticity equal to 4 and बनाई 4 coordinate bonds. Once a number of tetradentate ligands it is equal to 1. So the number of the tetradentate ligand coordination number is equal to 4. So for a complex sirf asan mojood tetradentate ligands तिमन कॉम्प्लेक्सन मज वनो coordination number is equal to 4 into number of tetradentate ligands. But this is only in case of the complexes which consist of only one type of ligands, only one type of ligand in terms of their denticity. Now we will consider some complexes. Complex in his example multiple types of ligands आसन. Say for example unidentate ligand ते आशी bidentate ligand ते आशी तिमन वुचोस कित कन चेस coordination number करान. ये चीज जरूरी अस हेचुन coordination number calculate कित कन चेस करान या कत complexes क्या coordination number तिकाज ब्रोक कुन गस नत problem understand करनस मस. Say for example I have a complex having formula PtCl2 and then En and this is a complex shock coordination compound. अगर तो क्वेश्चन पूछो वन सा यह क्या coordination number, you will immediately identify the ligands present in the complex. There are 2 types of ligands irrespective of their number. उनके सभी number बात करना क्या मैंने से type it is Cl negative and ethane 1,2 diamine. So it is a heteroleptic complex. So अगर हम complex इस बात करो the complex is heteroleptic complex. ठीक है बेटा. Once आत्मस कुछ ligand there are 2 types of ligands. कुछ ligand A is Cl negative chloride ion. B, the second type of ligand present in it is ethane 1,2 diamine. Now what is the number of Cl negative ions? It is 2 and Cl negative ion it is what? It is unidentate ligand. Each unidentate ligand. Ethane 1,2 diamine kya beta? It is bidentate ligand. When I say it is bidentate ligand, it will form 2 coordinate bonds. This will form 1 coordinate bond. Once I get number of total number of coordinate bonds it will be 2 into the number of coordinate bonds formed by Cl negative ions. This Cl negative ions cause coordinate bonds banavan im banavan equal to 2. Ethane 1 2 diamine chat maz ak mawjood ye banay ak coordinate bonds, that is equal to 2. So the total number of coordinate bonds formed is equal to 4, and it means it is coordination number, this coordination number is equal to 4. So it put one beta for a complex, yemis complexes maz asan mawjood unidentate ligands shabash be asan atmaz mawjood bidentate ligands. Yim cheethe can identify karan bidentate ligands. Timan maz is coordination number chitu number of unidentate ligands yatmaz, that is equal to agar complex mein that is equal to 2. Number of bidentate ligands, that is equal to 1. So coordination number is equal to 1 into 2 divided by this is equal to 4. That is the number of unidentate ligands plus the twice number of bidentate ligands. Yite athmas unidentate ligands asan tihund number plus yite athmas bidentate ligands asan tamyuk double. Yiman karo summation, I'll sum karo it value near so I say I'm coordination number. Misal ke tour par ye kyo complex ya dutas height atmas chu z unidentate ligands timo banai z coordinate bonds atmas chu bidentate ligand ethane 1 2 diamine ye banai z coordinate bonds. Total number of coordinate bonds is equal to, that is equal is atmas mawjood, that is equal to 4, and this gives me this coordination number. At par draw me statement yemis complexes mas asan sirf unidentate be bidentate ligands tat maz is coordination number asan chu, that is equal to the number of unidentate ligands plus twice the number of bidentate ligands. Ite atmas bidentate ligands asan tamyuk double chikarun pat karo siman panwain sum itat value near so go the coordination number of the complex. Chaliye so I hope you have understood this. Coordination number. Chaliye, let me give one more example. Say if I have the complex Cr NH3 S2O and then Cl and we have Cl2. This is a complex. This is complex. Agar beta to yak prso when you sa atmas kya chu, so that is Cr NH3, that is Cr NH3 whole 4 and then S2O Cl. What is the coordination number of the complex? Yat complexes must catch a coordination number. Fatafat will you say? Once a kus ligand chatmas, it is ammonia. Ammonia is unidentate ligand. Their number is equal to 4 in banavan 4 coordinate bonds plus water. Water must show oxygen aspect 2 pairs of electrons, but it forms only one coordinate bond. It's a unidentate ligand. Kya number, that is equal to 1 equals coordinate bonds banai 1 plus shabash atmas Cl negative ion acting as a ligand, so unidentate ligand shabash, their sum is equal to 6, and this gives me the coordination number. The coordination number is equal to 6. Now all of these ligands are unidentate ligands. The number of unidentate ligands is 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. Coordination number te draw equal to 6. So this is about coordination number. The broken yitas ligands nomenclature maz hechok tins formula agar tim use ay karn kamis ligandas kya denticity tam satan gaise zyada asan praznavan coordination number. Suppose agar bit continue example dim toy a complex ch exam ch kun satan question yiwan toy asu complex it kan Cr C2O4 whole 3 and then we have 3 positive usage. What is its coordination number? Teachers, what is its coordination number? तो तान हेको ने coordination number वनित के युतानेस ligand is denticity पता आसी के density of ligand लगे पता तेली ले structure of ligand आसी पता. सो बेटा यथ मज लीगेंड वार वार यम ति लीगेंड्स तो प्रेत दो लेक्चर मज कत करान यम याद थवन. We have talked about various types of ligands like carbonate ion, sulfate ion, fractionated ligand his कत कर में EDTH कत कर में pentadentate, tetradentate, tridentate, bidentate ligand in his example वार इन ज़्यादा example तेस बेई तिम चे सारी वार याद थवने अध हेको असी coordination chemistry मज question पत solve कर. Anyways, so the ligand here is it is oxalate ion. Oxalate ion is there it is COO negative and then we have COO negative and O negative. This will form coordinate bond, this will form coordinate bond. So this is it, C2O4 2 negative ion. So here C2O4 2 negative ion charge of ligand should asan zhun te yath mas such paane is pata gase asan paane pata hai at par kya ligand. So there it is, the charge of this C2O4 it is 2 negative and the ligand is oxalate. This is oxalate ion. Oxalate ion derived from oxalic acid yem sath name ZH positive ions asan lose करमिन. शाबाश. So या इत कन ते लिखिच कुन साथन इत कन abbreviation अमिच OX it is CrOX whole 3. OX stands for oxalate and oxalate ion is a bidentate ligand. मान सा या क्या अगर ये स्टूडेंट्स ने पता ही आसी oxalate ion च bidentate ligand. अगर तुम assume करो इस unidentate ligand, so one coordination number is equal to 3. So this complex comprises of only bidentate ligands. The bidentate ligands are the oxalate ions. This is a homoleptic complex, only one type of ligands irrespective of the number. And then अगर प्रसान मे वन सा अत क्या coordination number गो शबाश. These are bidentate ligands. Bidentate ligand number equal to 3, so it is equal to 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. This gives me the coordination number of this complex. So coordination number is equal to 6. यथ मज ligand यूज आमुत करने ligand अत मज that is oxalate ion. Oxalate ion is a bidentate ligand. At much is donor atoms, both of which are oxygen. So there are 2 oxygen donors, and it's a bidentate ligand. So this is how we calculate the this coordination number of the metal atom or metal ion. Anyways, चले बेटा last question please बताओ इसका हमने से या जवाब क्या है. If I have PtCl2 and then we have En, this is it. या PtCl and then triene, positive, and then this is it, has no charge. What is the coordination number? फटाफट coordination number. Ligand plus noun. At much Cl negative ion ligand, unidentate ligand, those are equal to 2. So imcus bonds banavan z coordinate bonds. Besh at much ethane 1 2 diamine. Shabash. It's a bidentate ligand. Cus coordinate bonds banai 2. So the number of coordinate bonds formed will be equal to 4. Means that its coordination number is equal to 4. Coordination number of central metal atom is equal to 4. पॉक्से बेटा यात complexes पे ligand च पता है वारियाई फिर करे यात complexes पे इसका z type of ligands च both. This is heteroleptic complex, this is also heteroleptic complex. This is homonuclear complex and this is also homonuclear complex. ये चीज़ च इसका करमस. कौन सा ligand? It is Cl negative ion. Unidentate ligand number is equal to 1. Cus coordinate bonds बनाए 1. Once a back ligand कुछ चाहत मज it is TRIN triethylene tetraamine. It's a shabash. Sorry, this must be diene. So this is diene. Shabash. Once a daim ligand कुछ चाहत मज it is diethylene triamine. And this is tridentate ligand, diethylene triamine chit tridentate ligand. ये बनाए 3 coordinate bonds. Karsa sum number of coordinate bonds that is equal to 4. Means thereby coordination number using coordination number is equal to 4. ठीक है बेटा. चलो ये पर आज फ्राइडे नमाज वक्त वो अस करें कत ऑन नॉमेनक्लेचर. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट लेक्चरस में करो इसका कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर पे करियो गरी किताब पे क्या क्वेश्चन तिमन वो तो तगान कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर कड़न. कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर खत जरूरी पता आसन कि लिगेंड छा यूनिडेंटेड बाइडेंटेड ट्राइडेंटेड किन टेट्राइडेंटेड लिगेंड. Say for example, we have talked about EDTA minus 4 homochess, that it is hexadentate ligand. अगर ये मौजूद आसी बनाए कुन चीज़ coordinate bonds. We had talked about EDTA shabash minus 3. मैं वोनमुत that this is pentadentate ligand. अगर यह योत मौजूद कुन complexes मज़ ये बनाए 5 coordinate bonds. Likewise, we have used some ligands in complexes, talked about those. तो वार हेचुस बाकिन ligand हम along with charge kat ligands पर कूता छु तो donor atom कुछ करस इंशाल्लाह nomenclature मस का तो इसकिस lectures मस उचेस the coordination number of the central metal atom कत बराबर छ आसान तो I think this is sufficient for today. Till we'll see you tomorrow.